If you also have PC which have Intel HD graphic card or any other graphic card, but you didn't get full dedicated video memory, take deep breath. In this video, I will show you how you can increase your VRAM memory so you can get good performance of your PC and get good FPS on your game. Before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's get started. First, let me show you my GPU and VRAM. Right click on the desktop, click Display Settings, go to the Advanced Display option. Now go to Display Properties. Here you can see I have total graphic memory is 2113 megabytes and dedicated video memory is 112 megabytes. Let's take some more graphic memory from total memory to dedicated memory so we can increase VRAM according to your PC RAM. Like if you have 1 GB RAM, you can get 128 megabytes VRAM memory. If you have 2 GB RAM, you can get 256 megabytes VRAM memory. 4 GB to 512 megabytes VRAM. I'll give you this details in description also. Now open search, type here Registry editor. Now watch these steps carefully. From here, double click HK local machine, extend software. Now find here your GPU folder. Like I have Intel, if you have NVIDIA or AMD, you can go for it. Now right click on it, click New and Key. Name it GMM all capitals. Now right click on the blank area, click dword 32-bit value. Rename it to this, same to same, no space. Now double click it. Here you have to enter VRAM you want. First, let's see my PC RAM. Go to the system properties. You can see I have 4 GB RAM, so I have to write 512 value on registry editor. Click OK. All set. Now you have to reset your PC. Let's make quick restart. After reset, right click on the desktop and go to the display setting. Click Advanced Display. Go to the display properties. You can see now I have 512 dedicated VRAM. Now you can get good performance of your PC, get good FPS and no more lags. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Software Hub and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Thanks for watching.